1966 Toyota Stout. Pretty basic truck. (8R) 4-cylinder. Four-speed on a column. This was at the McCormick Auto Show. You probably saw it already in the video. Modified rims, interior too. (1966 Toyota pickup). Pretty basic. (1973). With a 12 or 16R engine in it. 1975. And this one is the first year of SR5, which I kind of like this truck. Short bed, this one is. Custom rims. I found this special one. '75 modified. '79 Toyota pickup, the first year. Came out with this body design. Like it says, SR5. And it's my truck. There's the carport up there. Back in 2007. 1982. (1983). Four-wheel drive. This is a nice truck though. '84. Sorry about that. This truck does look familiar, because this is actually a photo of a movie truck. Soundtrack by the Sounds. 1986 Hilux. It came out with this body design right here, 4 doors in '84. (2000). Like one of the first ones of the V8. 2002. The Tacoma. Still looks like a Hilux though. 2008. '07. The new Tundra. This one's custom. Concept design Toyota heavy duty. Oops. Looks like the regular ones. Yeah, it is 2 tires. Alright, I hope you liked it. Alright, have a good evening. Bye. Oh wait, the soundtrack is by The Sounds. What do you think?